you?
Good, Ramon. Big fan of you, by the way.
How fast does this car go?
10-8 fastest somewhere.
What?
10-8.
Number 10?
Yeah.
Are we gonna die?
No. We'll be okay.
Alright. Let's try it. How about let's wait for some enemy.
Okay.
How about yeah. Which one? This white one?
Up to you.
What game are you playing?
We're playing.
Plants vs Zombies now.
No, how not to blow up your engine.
Okay.
Wait.
Let's turn on the aircon.
We don't have airgun.
Why not?
There's no room.
500 horsepower and no aircon.
No.
How can I make my car go like this?
You have a big wallet?
Hey man, will we hit our heads in this mentality thing?
Only if we crash.
Okay. Four-wheel drive to, di ba? Alright. We're gonna kick their ass. Let's look at their faces. It will only take 10 seconds to get there, right?
If I'm fast enough.
But if you're slow, it's just like 11, yeah? Okay. Where do I hold on? This bar?
Yeah, that's okay.
Damn!
Ready?
We're ready, let's go! Oh shit! What's up? Wow! Man! It's like hell, man!
You enjoyed?
Yeah!
Very good.
Oh shit! Before the race, my penis was only 3 inches. Now it's only 3 millimeters, man. Congratulations to
Thank you.
You left that guy.
Yeah, we
He
did.
didn't stand a chance. I think his self-esteem is now 0. Yeah? The fuck? Hey man, make my car like yours.
Sure, no problem.
You gotta like attach a laptop to my
Yeah.
car and then
Don't worry about the laptop, I'll take care of it.
yeah. Putang bilis tol. Ba't hindi siya nagsaslide? There's traction all the way.
All the way. Well,
Yeah.
It's 4-wheel drive.
Okay. How many wheel drive is my car?
Your car is a Lancer, correct?
Yeah. Like this one.
Okay, you buy the... Is it 4-wheel?
Why are you laughing? Are you in marijuana?
No!
The hell?
Can't believe it, I'm next to Ramon.
Hey man. Congratulations, man.
Thank you. Anyway, we have fans there. Oh, there.
Look at them. They're all gays. No. Yeah. They're laughing even though they lost. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Congrats.
Hello. They're laughing. Hey man.
Helmetin mo naman si Ramon, no? Ang bilis nyo.
Ano tayo?
11-3.
Pag-helmetin eh.
Ito lolo ko. Good.
Ayos ba?
Tapos, helmet.
Kailangan mag-helmet. Dapat nag-helmet daw eh. Stop na natin. Alright. It's been me, Ramon Bautista, and pangalan mo to?
Norman.
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 Up Norman. Damn, he's fast.